Okay, arriving now with the service 2, painted from Exmouth. It's a 4-con 150, but I don't know quite what it is yet. On the front is 247. Can't show the parts. Okay, the part now with the service 2, painted from Exmouth. 247, something else on the rear. Two 3-door on the rear. Catch the next one comes through. God, I actually forgot about my intro, but hello guys, welcome to this video of SUV, and today we're at Torquay, across the Riviera line. Servicing services from Braunton Railway only, and around to go from Paul to Kingsway, which is hauled by 34046 Braunton. So to start off, shall we? Let's get started here at Torquay. Okay, arriving here now with the service 2, painted from Exmouth. No, Exmouth from painted, 166217. I can barely even see. These are good because they're dark green, so we may even see it. Catch one of the parts. Okay, the part now with the service 2, extra painted, 166217. Catch you when we see Braunton. Right, I am recording now because I just heard Braunton's whistle. Right, I'm excited to see this. I think it's the second rail tour of the year. It's the second or third. But anyways. This is also my first time seeing Braunton, so I'm excited for this. Jeez, I can't even see. Sorry if this is bad recording, I can just barely even see because of the sun. Here he comes. Oh wow. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is coming pretty quick, you know. Here he comes, Braunton. Here's at the front as well. D1924 on the rear. Don't know the exact 47. Oh, that was wonderful. Right, so that is it for the video. Hope you enjoy it. See you at the next one. Bye bye for now.